having a good fun over there.
You want the duck? Take it.
That's the mama right there.
Hey, you want it? Go get it. Go get it. Hey, whoa. You run so fast. Hey, wait, look.
All right, which one is that?
Go.
Right ear?
Right ear. Yep. He's cute. All these puppies are cute.
They really are adorable, huh?
Hey,
Look at that left hip is being bad. Is that the boy?
yeah.
Left hip?
Hey,
Yeah.
do that. You okay? Don't fight the little boy. You're playing playful.
Look at Babe had a stick that she was trying to give her puppies.
The little boy's being playful. Want this toy?
Yeah, isn't he cute? He's such a sweet guy.
You don't need to chew on my hand. You don't need to take it.
Puppies are 5 weeks old today.
Oh,
Actually, yesterday. They were 5 weeks old yesterday.
I saw a fox.
You did? Where'd you see the fox?
It was last Thursday. They're coming home from feeding puppies, and
Have you got them all spoken for?
Yeah, they're all sold.
we were coming home from feeding the puppies, and then a fox came out of our yard.
Did he see you?
Yeah, that's why he ran out of our yard, because he heard us. And then he ran. And my dad got us 22, and he shot it like 3 times, and it rolled over those 3 times, but it got away.
Huh? Your dad probably hit it.
Yeah, he did. Oh, babe. Aww.
Look at this. Tug of war. Look at the 2 boys.
Little boy.
Yeah. See, he's tougher than you think. He's tougher than you think.
The puppies are growling at the mother.
All right, who's the big one there looking at the mother right now? Okay, that's the boy, left ear.
That's who the both of the puppies.
Look at Babe's playing with her puppies. She likes it because they can't get at her to nurse.
Oh, and Nessie's sniffing Addie.
You having fun? You see your little ones having fun? Oh, there's a pretty Nessie.
Mm-hmm.
Nessie?
Yeah, Nessie came out to see you, Mama.
Oh, she's such a good girl. Yeah.
Ooh, you a fast one. Come on, Papa.
Yeah.
Come on.
Good puppy.
Come on. Labrador puppies are so cute.
Aren't they cute? There was a famous writer who said that anyone who says you can't buy love never bought a puppy. All right, who's the one with the frog?
That's a girl right here.
Right ear. Oh, and top of head got it now.
Yep.
We're going to save these plush toys for just when they're outside, because otherwise they get all covered up with shavings.
Yeah, not be good.
But we'll keep them in a bag or something so that we'll just bring them out. I got the 2 girls fighting over the frog. See, this is an important time for the puppies because their personalities develop and they find out where they fit in and how to get along. And now, who's that tugging the little goose right by you?
Where's your husband?
He's up at a hunt test. Oh, it's a little boy, left hip. Yep, and we got another little one.
And those 2 little guys trying to eat my shoes.
Someone's got the
They're
raccoon.
eating your shoes. Well,
Right ear.
They're biting their shoes.
All these guys seem to like to carry. That's nice.
That one's gonna have a drink.
Yeah.
He's smart.
Yeah, they're getting pretty independent of their mom.
Hey, come on. licking my legs.
Isn't that
Oh,
cute?
she's sweet. Okay. Boy.
Hmm.
No, 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 no. No, no.
I love it when they do tug of war.
Aww. That one brought you the duck. Oh, thank you. Oh. Oh. Here, look at. Oh, that was so cute.
Look at that, lugging the little duck around. Is that the little boy? Who is it with the duck?
Go left ear.
Left ear?
Oh, good girl. Good girl. I don't peed.
That's so cute.
Oh, good girl. Oh, good girl.
Did you get that duck?
That one.
Who wants a ducky?
Oh, and we got the frog. We're lugging the frog.
Are you taking pictures?
I've got a recording going. I'm going to try to download it.
Hmm.
Boy, they all like to carry. That is super.
Oh, yes. Go get it, Carrie. Good job. Good
That one
job.
with the black.
Yeah, that's left ear.
Wait, do they come out here a lot? Grandma, do they come out here a lot?
Huh?
Do they come out here a lot?
No, this is the first time they've ever been out here.
Oh.
Isn't that cute?
Yeah.
She says, I got it. I got it.
That one jumped at the fence. Can I take it? Can I take it? Go get it.
What do you think, babe, of your kids, huh?
I'll go get it. I'll go get it. Do you want this or this? They're stepping in the water. What do you want? What do you want? Toy store. Yeah, come what they want. Let's check what they want.
How much longer will you have these puppies?
Some will go at 7 weeks and some will go after that. The ones that have to travel have to be older.
Yes, Yawanda. Hmm?
Yeah,
Who
take
is
the,
your
oh,
good
you can
girl?
take that.
Yes.
Boy.
Yes, who is it?